What's up, y'all? I literally ended up crushing that food and passing out. Crushed that food and passed the fuck out, you guys. It is a new day, and I woke up and it was snowed in. I don't know if y'all saw the last clip. I tried to get a little clip and make sure y'all saw that it was snowing. But I'm snowed in today. I've been inside. I've been chilling, posting content. I appreciate y'all that are fucking with the content, New York content. Gonna be posting more and more New York content. I actually got to post clips for my clip page. I did an IRL stream yesterday, and it was dope. It was really dope. I went in front of Madison Square Garden, and I did a bunch of TikToks. I did like 6, maybe 7 TikToks, and it's crazy because I was freezing. But I managed to get that shit done. I'm so happy I managed to get it done too. I feel so relieved, I'm not gonna lie. Like, between last night when I came back in after my Chinese food and when I woke up today, I just been feeling hella relieved, you know? I'm still feeling relieved. I think I'm just happy I got the content done that I needed to do, for real. Like, I got plenty of content that I need to do, but at least I got this trip started off really good. This trip started off good. People see the content. You can see that I put effort into it. I want to do some more trends. Like, I got to do some more research and find more trends to do. But I think the ones I did so far are going to go up. So make sure y'all tap into my TikTok and Instagram content. I put effort into this shit, especially since I'm going viral. I'm up 2 million views in 28 days on my Instagram, and this is a first. So I'm just trying to keep building that momentum and hopefully get them views to 10 million views within the next couple months and get the 100K followers, y'all. I need that 100K. 100K followers would be life-changing. It would definitely help give me more leverage, you know, for my modeling career, my music career, acting career, streaming career. Just more motion, more leverage, to be honest. This neighborhood that I'm staying in too, it's been really quiet, y'all. The most I hear is probably like some ambulances pretty late. But I'm grateful to have this friend to crash with for the first couple of days here. It's a nice trip so far, y'all. I'm grateful. If you still here, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Please smash that thumbs up button. I want to explore the city more too, y'all. It's just been so cold. And today it literally snowing. Like, snow around the ring of my window. Like, snowing, and stacking up. You know, I'm happy to be here though. I'm gonna be switching locations. I'm probably gonna switch locations tonight or tomorrow morning, but I will be switching locations. Also, update on photo shoots. I got another photo shoot set up. I'm supposed to be doing a photo shoot tomorrow after 2 p.m., then another one on Wednesday after 2 p.m. Yeah. I got a meeting for Thursday, and I gotta see if I can fit in any appointments for tomorrow too. Because I'm trying to get some appointments with these agencies, you guys. Like, I really don't know how to get signed as a, you know, creator, you know, content creator, but I'm really trying to figure that out too. When I came here 7 years ago, I signed with one of the top modeling agencies, and they definitely helped, you know, change my career, change the trajectory of my career and just the direction I was going, you know. And I learned a lot being with their agency, just development, you know, rates, and just how to carry myself, y'all. So I'm hoping that I can find another really good modeling agency and some reps for my social media, because I'm not letting up. This is just the beginning, and I'm not letting up. This new era is my content creator era, y'all. I'm not playing. I'm not fucking around, y'all. I'm staying locked in. And y'all should see how serious I am. I booked this trip myself, y'all. Like, most people probably would assume that I came out here to shoot with some type of brand, because that's what I usually come to New York for. But this trip was for me, and like, just to relax and, you know, get some new reps and stuff, you know, do some business. So far, so good. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I've been here chilling for a minute. Like, I was out there chilling, editing, posting. And I'm actually gonna upload the content, maybe like 2 clips of the content to this video. Yeah, I want y'all to see the content. In case y'all are too lazy to make it to my TikTok or my Instagram, I'm gonna put it in here in the next clip, okay? I'm gonna go hop in the shower because I need to wash my ass. I'm sweating in this hoodie. I'm just kidding. I'm not sweating. It's actually like decent in here. I'm just trying to stay cozy. But nah, I'm about to hop in the shower, y'all. I gotta wash myself, get myself together. Maybe I'll feel more energized. Yeah. I'll see y'all after I get out the shower. Fresh out the shower. All right, I'm about to get dressed. Put on my socks. Clean socks. This is chill fit, glasses, long coat, cowboy boots. Call it a day. Smash that thumbs up. I'm gonna finish packing up my stuff. And then we go to the next location. We are outside, y'all, in the snow. Look at all this snow. Oh my gosh, it's inches. Inches, y'all. Look at, oh my gosh. We in the snow for real. I don't know the last time I've experienced this, you guys, but we outside in the snow, New York City. I'm actually heading to my next location. We'll be staying at another fit spot for the next couple of days. So it's gonna be chill, super chill. My friend actually stays in Brooklyn, so it's just a train away. This is my first time outside today. This snow is crazy. This snow is crazy. There's people outside. This don't stop people in New York. This don't stop people in New York. Oh, snap. It's so cold. You know the crazy thing is, it doesn't feel as cold as it did yesterday. Yesterday, it wasn't even snowing. And it was colder than this. Man, I'll be outside in the snow. You see that? It's really, really cold out here. It's icy. But I'm heading to the train station, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all at the train station. We outside in the snow, y'all. I don't know the last time I experienced this, but it's really a whole snow blizzard out here. Well, it's not a blizzard no more, obviously. Shit. This is my first time outside today. I was KO, chilling in the side, cozy. Look at this. Snow. All this snow. People outside though, making moves. We making moves. Let me figure out where I'm going. Oh snap. Oh shit. We in the city, baby. New York.
Hello everyone, your safety matters to us to release the restrictions and walls. We can relocate and relocate using as possible.
This is a Brooklyn-bound C local train. The next stop is 14th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
What's up, y'all? I made it to my next location. And it's dope. This is like the game room area. And that's Rome, my friend's cousin. I'm gonna be crashing with. But yeah, they got like a foosball table, all this stuff in the game room. I'm gonna be streaming and hanging out in this game room for the next couple days. And I wanted to just update you guys and wrap up this video. So if you made it to this point, please smash that like button. If you're new here, subscribe, drop a comment. I'm responding to all comments, you guys, so please do not forget to drop a comment on this video. I think for the rest of the night, I'm just going to chill, eat, edit, and stream. So stay tuned and make sure y'all check out the other videos. I'm gonna be in New York City for at least like 5 more days, so stay tuned. I love you. Peace.